Alright guys, I'm at the 4Runner.
3.4 liter
5VZ-FE.
And we all know by now that these are common to have valve cover gasket oil leaks. Using the mirror, I'm going to show you the back of the valve cover and why it might not look like you have a leak in the front, but I'm going to show you the cam caps and the half moons in the back and show you why you need to look at those and why you definitely need to change those / put sealant on them when you do the valve covers, because if you don't, they will eventually leak. First thing I want to point out, just for fun, is that 90-degree elbow pressed into the back of the valve cover. That can get loose. Definitely check that when you have the valve cover off. I'm going to put gray high-strength RTV sealant on mine when I have mine off and let that cure. Here's the half moon, right? And you can see on mine, it's definitely likely seeping oil, so you want to do those for sure. So you can reuse them and you just put new sealant on them, clean them up, put new sealant on them, and you should be good to go. And then you can check them again with the mirror. But now let me draw your attention to, look at this bad boy. This is the cam cap, right? And that is definitely the culprit here for my oil leak. So you can see right there, like here's the top of the cap, right? And here's the bottom of the cap. Right there, you can see just straight up fresh oil. It's not a bad leak. You know, I get a drip or two in the driveway, so you could drive it like this, whatever, but definitely on the bottom side of that cam cap. I just got new ones and I'll throw them in. I'll do the video. So yeah, I hope that helps. If you have an oil leak and like, I don't know, if you've already done the valve covers and you still have a leak somewhere, then get a mirror. I'll put a link down below for a nice mirror, a must-have item. Check behind, look at your that 90-degree elbow for the PCV, wiggle it, and look at the half moons and look at the cam caps back there. You just might have a leak. Quick video.
See you later.